In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to submit a request through Facebook's Help Center and what to expect afterward. Start on your mobile device and open your web browser. In Google, type disabled Facebook account. From the results, tap the first official link that leads to the Facebook Help Center. Make sure the page is on the facebook.com domain so you know you're in the right place. This takes you to Facebook's guidance for accounts that have been disabled and is the entry point for submitting your request. Once you're on the Help Center page, scroll all the way down until you see the section that asks, "Was this helpful?" Tap No, and then choose "The solution doesn't work." Doing this reveals additional options that help you get to a feedback or contact form. It's a small step, but it's what opens the door to actually reaching Facebook with your specific case. Now scroll down to find the feedback or contact form. In the text box, clearly and briefly explain that you want to recover your permanently disabled account. Keep your tone calm, honest, and polite. Stick to the facts. When the account was disabled, that it's your account and that you'd like it reviewed. Enter the account and contact details, the form requests such as the sign-in email associated with your account, the phone number linked to it, your Facebook username, and a separate contact email where Facebook can reach you. Double check spelling and numbers so everything matches what's on the account. Provide only what the form asks for. Never include passwords, security codes, or any private documents unless Facebook specifically requests them on the form. After you submit the form, Facebook will review your request. If your case qualifies for review, they may contact you with next steps or ask for more information. Response times can vary widely, so be patient. Keep an eye on the inbox for the contact email you provided and check your spam or junk folders in case their message is filtered there. Only respond to messages from official Facebook domains and don't share sensitive security information. A quick but important reminder, account recovery is not guaranteed. If Facebook determined the account violated community standards, they may not reinstate it. The best approach is to be accurate, respectful, and concise in your explanation and to follow any instructions they provide. That's it. You've submitted your request to recover a disabled Facebook account. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step Facebook tips and tutorials.